Hello, what's up guys and welcome to Sentriq channel. Today we're gonna discuss about Vivo new Y series called Vivo Y36. Alright, let's have a look inside the box. Alright, here is the phone. The color called Semporna green, inspired by Semporna Island located in Sabah. The back panel made from plastic frame and glossy. The camera bump is really thin as you can see, and here written advanced spherical. On the right side is volume button and lock button. The lock button equipped with a fingerprint sensor. The downside is speaker, charging port, and audio jack. Nothing on the left side and SIM slot on the top side. Now let's see the specification of this smartphone. The Vivo Y36 feature a tall 6.64-inch Full HD Plus with 60Hz refresh rate and up to 650 nits peak brightness. Powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 chipset paired with Adreno 610 GPU. It's IP54 certified for dust and splash resistant. The smartphone supports NFC as well. Vivo Y36 comes with 8GB RAM capacity that can be extended to another 8GB. So total is 16GB RAM capacity, 256GB capacity on memory. The smartphone comes with a dual camera setup on the rear, 50MP main camera and 2MP bokeh. For selfie camera, it comes with 16MP. The smartphone runs on Android 13 based on Vantage OS 13. The device equipped by 5000 mAh battery with 44W fast charging support. There's two types of color variant. Either you can choose Semporna green or Mystic Black. Vivo Y36 available on our store. Sure, you can walk in or purchase it on our website sentriq.my. Alright, that's it for today. Stay tuned for the next video.